Now factors of production was our previous topic. Now our next topic is distribution of factors of production, means in which way it was distributed. Now why this topic is important? Why? Because factors of productions are limited. Land is limited, labor is limited, capital is limited. So how and what are the reasons why we should know and understand the distribution of factors of production, in which way the factors of production should be distributed, so that will be that will we will keep for the future generation also. That is also known as a sustainable development. So what should be done and what we are doing, right? So we are continuously using the factors of production, or we are depriving them for the future generation. That what we are going to discuss in this topic. Now distribution of factors of production. Human wants are unlimited, while resources to fulfill them are limited. Like we have how much time, how much minerals we are going to use, or water we are going to use, whatever we are going to use, that will be exhausted at a certain point of time. But humans needs are never going to be exhausted. They are going to be increase and increase, right? So we humans are having a unlimited wants. What we get, we want more. So this is what the human nature is. So many wants originate from one want, right? Many requirements are to be fulfilled again and again, while many want arise because of development of science and technology. Now many demands are, many needs are, like for example water is there, electricity is there, they all are they are generating again. We are in a continuous need of that, so we are using it, right? And sometimes science and technology has been improved so much, so because of that our needs are increasing. Like for example in the well, go 200 years back or 300 years back in India, we don't have electricity, we don't have fan. Now afterwards we had a fan. Now we, after fan we got the air cooler, after air cooler we got the AC. So our, as science and technology increases, our needs and our necessities also increases, right? So our needs are going to be unlimited. Thus because of many reasons want became unlimited. So in order to fulfill the wants, one has to make selection among wants. So we should every time, if you have to keep resources for a future generation, so always we have to keep a tab. Yeah, what is required first, means what is my need first. So that should be understood कि मुझे पहले क्या चाहिए, मेरे लिए पहले क्या ज़रूरी है. अगर मेरे घर में खाना नहीं है, and I think कि I will use AC and all, and I'll go in the car and do whatever I want, so it is not possible. First, what is my need or want, that I have to satisfy my family with a food, then I will think about other luxury. So always humans has to categorized, okay, categorized ke how whatever their needs are. So that is the first topic. Now the second is important order in terms of necessities. That what I have explained, okay, every time our necessities are many, right? But we have to prioritize, okay, which is the first what we required, right? So as the resources to satisfy wants are limited, the individual has to decide which want is more important. Means we have many wants, which is many needs we have, right? But from that, what is important for us, what is first, it is, we have to prioritize, okay, which is the most important need of us right now. So that in that way we have to use it. He has to satisfy his requirement in the order of priority. Whichever requirement is more important, that has to be satisfied earlier and later on the others. So first we have to again and again I am telling you, we have to prioritize, then we have to understand which is the most important want of ours is, that should be satisfied first, and then we have to think about others, right? So this is what the second topic is. Now the third is limited resources. That what I have told you, every resource in our earth is limited. That is on at some point of time they are going to exhaust, right? So that what we have to understand. Limited resources. Factors of production mainly include natural wealth and man-made wealth. All these tools are limited, so they have to be utilized judiciously. Means whatever their needs are, their resources are, that should be think first and then only we have to use. Distribution of tools have to be done keeping selected ones in the center. Means whatever the distribution of tools, means whatever our needs are there, the tools are required for that. So that type of tools we have to take it into consideration कि मुझे पहले क्या चाहिए, then only I have to think about other, right? So we have our limited resources, so we have to think in that way only. Now the fourth topic is alternative use of resources. Alternative use of resources, like for example we are using electricity. For electricity we are using coal to produce electricity, but there is an alternate use of resources also, that is a hydroelectricity. I can use water also to produce electricity, right? So always use the alternative use of resources. Now resources to satisfy demands are limited. Not only this, they have alternative usage only, right? Means we can use in a different way also. Why? When any tools of production may be utilized in more than one way, means in a where we can use a multiple usage of it, so that we have to do. Means that the tools has multiple usage. Here one example has been given, right? So it may be said that this usage is alternative. For example, if wheat is sown in a land of bajra, if I am having a land, right, I am using wheat, instead of bajra, maize or groundnut or any other yield cannot be cultivated. Other usage of the land has to be stopped, right? So this is what we can do. Okay, I have, if which is my priority, wheat is my priority, so I can use the alternative use, because from wheat I can make many things. So I will prioritize which is required for me. Thus, in above mentioned condition, distribution of factor of production is done in such a way that they satisfy to maximum possible demands. So we have to use and distribution of factor of production should be in such a way that how we can maximize our demands and we will satisfy our needs. So this is what the distribution factor of production.